Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to create feature module in Nest project. So let's see. Suppose you have your application and there is one module. So you can create different modules like this: login, home, cart, and go on. So there will be different features in your application like login, home. These are the features that you can see in your application. So that's why we can create different modules so that your code, all the dependencies will be separated from main module, and this will be easy when you are implementing lazy loading in your application. So let's see how we can create that module in your application. So suppose in last time we have seen how to create test service, and we created all thing in manually. So today we are going to generate everything using nest command. So you can see all these commands here and how we can do that. You can see here nest generate, G is for generate, and then module. So you can see here for module you can use mo. So here module login I can say. So this will create one file and folder inside this source that we can use. So you can see create and update. So you can see login folder is created, inside that login module is created, and this login module is imported here and added in app module. So now we can create controller for login. So this will create one test file, one controller file, then it will import in login module. These things will happen behind the scene. You can see two files are created and then login module is updated with login controller. So now we can see controller. So path is built. So whenever you run this application and execute localhost 3000/login, then this controller will get hit. So here we can add some methods. We'll add get method here. So login is there, so we can do get login. Here we can return some text logged in. So we'll save all the files and we'll run. For this we can also create login service. Till that time we can see G nest G service login. So your logic will be in the service and controller will import the login service and use that. You can also import outside service in your controller. For that you need to import outside service, and in provider you need to mention like test service, which is already we have covered. So this service we can use in this module. For that you need to mention in provider which service you are using here in this module. So here you can see test file is created for this service and service file is also created, which is injectable. So in module and controller we can now use that service. First we'll see when I hit this how it work. Localhost / so logged in, it is working correctly. When I hit 3000/login, it is working correctly. It is giving me correct response. You can also add something which is related to your method here in this brackets, so that will become your path for login. So we'll do one thing, we'll import service here and then we can test that service. For that we need constructor here, and here we can add private variable test service, which is already we have covered. So we'll use that service and we'll return something from that service here. This dot test service dot get all, whatever the value we have in this test service, we'll get that. So we'll save all these files. We need to recompile and rerun this application. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now it is running. Let's rerun this. What is expected when we hit this? Get all will be executed, and inside that get all, whatever the value of this data will be returned to this. So you can see default value of data is returned here, that is empty array. So this is how we can create multiple modules in your application depending on the features, and this will be easy when you work in team and you can divide your picture into different modules, and then individual developer can work on that. So like this we can create modules in Nest.js. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in next video. Till time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.